Welcome back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time again, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. I just want to quickly share something with you. Coming up on this month, December is a time of the year where everybody just busy doing anything. Yes, but I want to simply say to you today that and before Christmas I'm gonna be on Bentv and Sky182. We give you a quick update what's gonna come in next, but I want you guys to recognize what's going on at the moment. As I say, you can follow me on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram to get some more updated, and I want to make you guys know when I'm going to be on TV, that's so you can get to watch that nice lovely show with Chef Ricardo live. Anyway, it's amazing, I'm back on the show for Christmas, but I'm going to start probably next month. Next month is January 2016. Some people just say next month, they don't understand, but hopefully next month we can start at the show, and I'm gonna be live back on the TV one more time again for probably a nice good time. So guys, hopefully we have fun and have a great time. Christmas is coming up. We have a lot of stuff coming up for Christmas. Because in my work here I'm so busy at the moment doing so many things, guys. It's one of the busiest time of the year where I do work. So but on the YouTube channel, I have to keep the YouTube channel running because of the fans and the friends and everyone who support you. Chef Ricardo is amazing, guys. It's amazing to know. But I want to big up every one of you. I love you from my heart. And you know what happened? Thank you so much. I can't I can't explain it, but it's amazing to me. Thank you so much, guys. We've gone on about 25,000 subscribers, so it's brilliant. Thank you so much for your support and for your time watching the video and leaving the comments. God bless you, we love you, and hopefully this Christmas you can have a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year when it comes. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team. We love you, we love you, we love you, we love you. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.